Next Knowledge presents the untold story behind the world's most valuable trophy. In the grand theater of human achievement, few objects evoke the same level of reverence, passion, and awe as the FIFA World Cup trophy. Valued at nearly $20 million, this magnificent 18-karat gold masterpiece is far more than a sporting prize. It is the ultimate symbol of national pride, the reward for decades of sacrifice, the dream of every footballer on Earth. For generations, this iconic trophy has traveled across continents, witnessed history, and been lifted by legends whose names are forever etched into sporting immortality. Yet behind its flawless golden surface lies a hidden world few have ever seen. A world of fire, precision, science, artistry, and extraordinary human craftsmanship. Today, Next Knowledge takes you inside one of the most secretive manufacturing processes in modern sport. From advanced digital engineering to blazing furnaces exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius. From ancient casting techniques to microscopic quality inspections, we reveal every step involved in creating football's most sacred symbol. This is not simply manufacturing. This is modern alchemy. This is the journey of the FIFA World Cup trophy. Historic World Cup moments, golden reflections. Every masterpiece begins as an idea. Long before gold enters the furnace, the FIFA World Cup trophy exists inside powerful computers. Elite engineers and designers spend months perfecting detailed three-dimensional models using advanced CAD technology. Every contour, every curve, every muscle, every millimeter must be mathematically perfect. These digital blueprints are not simply artistic designs. They contain complex engineering calculations that determine strength, balance, durability, and long-term structural integrity. Using sophisticated simulation software, engineers test how the trophy would react to decades of travel, celebrations, vibrations, impacts, and environmental conditions. Nothing is left to chance. Before a single gram of gold is melted, the trophy has already undergone thousands of virtual tests. This is where human creativity meets modern technology. The foundation of greatness is established. With the digital design approved, centuries-old craftsmanship takes center stage. Master artisans begin creating highly detailed wax replicas of the trophy. Each wax model is inspected repeatedly under specialized lighting. Every tiny feature must be perfect. The globe, the figures, the flowing contours. Nothing can be overlooked. These wax models are then coated with multiple layers of ceramic material. Slowly, a strong shell forms around the delicate wax structure. This shell will soon become the mold responsible for shaping football history. The process combines ancient techniques with modern engineering, a remarkable collaboration between tradition and innovation. The furnace awakens. Temperatures rise beyond 1,000 degrees Celsius. Solid gold begins its transformation. What was once rigid and unyielding becomes a glowing river of liquid fire. Engineers carefully monitor temperature, composition, and purity. Every impurity is removed, every measurement verified. The molten metal must achieve absolute perfection. At this moment, science and artistry become one. The most critical moment has arrived. Molten gold is poured into the prepared mold. The process requires extraordinary precision. Temperature, timing, flow rate. Everything must be perfectly synchronized. The liquid metal fills every cavity, every curve, every microscopic detail. In mere moments, raw gold begins transforming into one of the most recognizable objects on Earth. Now comes patience. The cooling process can take many hours, sometimes even days. Engineers carefully regulate temperatures to prevent microscopic defects. Inside the mold, the trophy slowly takes shape, a transformation invisible to the human eye, yet critical to its future strength and durability. The moment of truth arrives. The ceramic shell is carefully broken away. For the first time, the rough golden form emerges. Still unfinished, still imperfect, yet unmistakably recognizable. The FIFA World Cup trophy is born. Advanced CNC machines and skilled craftsmen work together. Excess material is removed. Dimensions are refined. Every curve is perfected. Precision reaches fractions of a millimeter. Hours become days. Days become weeks. The trophy undergoes multiple polishing stages. Gradually, rough metal transforms into a mirror-like golden masterpiece. its legendary shine begins to emerge. Master engravers refine every detail. Continents on the globe, muscles on the figures, microscopic textures. Laser systems add permanent markings. History is engraved into gold. Before reaching the world stage, the trophy must survive extensive testing. Weight verification, balance analysis, stress simulations, impact assessments, microscopic inspections. Only after passing every examination can it receive official certification. History is engraved into gold. The trophy travels under extraordinary protection. Custom-built cases, advanced tracking systems, elite security teams. Few objects on Earth receive this level of protection. History is engraved into gold. Beyond its gold lies something far more valuable. Dreams, memories, history. For billions of fans, the FIFA World Cup trophy represents the ultimate achievement, a symbol capable of uniting nations through the beautiful game. As the final lights illuminate the completed FIFA World Cup trophy, we stand before more than a masterpiece of engineering. We stand before a symbol of hope, a monument to human excellence, a golden dream pursued by every footballer who has ever stepped onto a field. From molten gold to global glory, from imagination to immortality, its journey mirrors the journey of every champion who dreams of lifting it. The FIFA World Cup 2026 awaits, and somewhere, a future legend prepares to write the next chapter in football history. Thank you for watching. This is Next Knowledge, where knowledge becomes extraordinary. A symbol capable of uniting nations through the beautiful game.